Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Bonjour, hello, and welcome to the morning after the storm. Down here you can just make out the footsteps that I did in my video last night. Let's go and see how they are. So this means I've got a little bit of work to do today. Today's tools of choice, well, not really of choice, Mr. Shovel, old pair of ski gloves. Got to clear down here, and we'll just clear in front here and a couple of other places round, just to make sure that people have access, safe access. That's just the start. There we are, bit of work. And we're dug out. Just need to wait on the chasse-neige, the snowplough coming past here, so I can complete a route to the road. Should I have any deliveries today, but I doubt it very much. And just looking down here, right down the road, see, it snowed right down to the bottom there, 1,000 metres below here. It snowed to well below the altitude of 800 metres anyway. What a beautiful morning. Work in progress. We're getting there. Bit of salt. Keeps it clear, stops it icing, and delays the next snow. This is about half an hour's work just to get this far. Good exercise though. Oh yeah, a decent fall.
lads.
Yay, made it. Must go. Qu'est-ce qu'il a fait? C'est les bêtises. C'est toi, oh putain. Ouais, mascotte. So there we go, the morning after the snow arrived, the second storm. You see people have already been on it, skis, walking up the mountain, ski back down. They'll get a wonderful experience coming down. They'll probably spend about 3 hours going up just to get 20 minutes of joy. So anyway, thanks for watching, as ever, subscribe and ciao.